Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to extend your Xbox One memory capacity. Xbox One comes with 500 stock gigabytes, so nowadays you need more. So today I bought the Western Digital Elements external drive, 1.5 terabytes. Yes, it is a USB 3 device and it is essential because Xbox One now supports USB 3. It's a 2.5 inch external drive, yes, and I'm gonna open it soon. So now I'll be having an extra 1.5 terabyte in my Xbox One memory. So let's start. So I'm opening it for the first time, and we're gonna do the process together. We have manual, the USB 3 cable, and the driver itself is compact and rather slim. So right here I have my Xbox One, and we're gonna use USB ports. Taking the hard drive. It's a USB 3 compatible with USB 2, but we don't mind because the Xbox One, it's a USB 3 compatible. So put this and here, and we're done. You can leave it here or wherever you want. So let's plug it to the TV. So right now, as you can see, I open it for the first time, and okay, let's go to settings. Let's see, and then so we just started, and it says that set up external storage. We must first format the storage device. It's 1.3 terabyte free, of course. So it's because it's all used only for the Xbox One. I have other things inside, so I'm gonna format it. I'm naming it Panos. Install things on Panos by default. Yes, I would like to install all my new things here. Yes, I want only to use on Xbox One console, so I'm gonna format storage devices. You must remember that important fact is that when you move all your games inside external drive via the USB 3, you're gonna have better loading times. So I suggest you personally to move all your games to the external drive. It's great. Now at least see how it works. Go to storage, manage storage. Go to the internal. I have 54.1% queue content, and press the menu button and manage game, install, move all. Yes, to Panos, move. And I think that's it. It's starting moving. I'm gonna do this exact thing to all of my other games. That's all guys, thanks for watching. I tried to keep this video short so you have only the important information. I will say it again, my personal opinion is that you must buy an external storage because 500 gigabytes are not enough for games that are about 40 gigabytes each, and also you will get a speed upgrade to the loading and you have better loading times. So that's all. If you like this video, comment, share, like, so that other friends can see it and make the Xbox One community better. Thanks again. Hello guys, I'm Panos, and today I'm